Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what does a maintenance technician do. Let's jump right into it. What does a maintenance technician do? Maintenance technicians play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of buildings, industrial facilities, and other structures. Their responsibilities can vary widely depending on the specific industry and workplace. Duties of maintenance technician. Preventive maintenance. Regularly inspecting machines and equipment to ensure they are in good working condition. This might involve checking oil levels, replacing worn-out parts, or ensuring that safety protocols are followed. Troubleshooting and repairs. When something breaks down, it's the maintenance technician's job to diagnose the problem and fix it quickly to minimize downtime. This could involve anything from repairing a faulty motor to fixing a leaky pipe. Equipment installation. Setting up new machinery or systems, ensuring they are installed correctly and function as intended. This may also involve training other staff on how to use the new equipment safely and efficiently. Safety compliance, ensuring that all equipment and facilities meet safety regulations. This might include performing regular safety checks, keeping detailed maintenance records, and implementing lockout or tagout (LODO) procedures to prevent accidents during repairs. Facility maintenance. Beyond machinery, maintenance technicians often take care of the building itself, performing tasks like plumbing, electrical work, and HVAC maintenance to ensure a comfortable and safe environment for all occupants. Skills and qualifications. To become a maintenance technician, you typically need a combination of technical skills and practical experience. This might include mechanical aptitude, a strong understanding of how machines and equipment work, electrical knowledge, familiarity with electrical systems and circuits. Plumbing skills, the ability to diagnose and repair plumbing problems. Problem-solving abilities, the capacity to identify and troubleshoot issues efficiently. Physical fitness, the ability to perform physically demanding tasks, such as lifting heavy objects or working in confined spaces. The growing demand for skilled technicians. As technology advances, the need for skilled maintenance technicians continues to grow. Modern equipment often requires specialized knowledge to maintain and repair, making ongoing training and education essential. Technicians must stay up to date with the latest industry trends and technologies to be effective in their roles. Conclusion: the role of a maintenance technician is essential to the success of any operation. Whether it's ensuring that a hospital's equipment is functioning correctly, keeping a factory running smoothly, or maintaining the comfort of a commercial building, these professionals are indispensable. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.